The importance of such a festival is something that can't be overstated. People, which is filmmakers who are making films in this move, are always looking for a platform for it to be shown to a larger public. And I think Woodpecker has done a great job.
The festival was introduced in the year 2013, and in the last 2 years we have been able to showcase some of the most powerful documentaries in the country.
Ours is a very diverse film festival which is primarily aimed at encouraging youngsters who want to make films and also want to send a very strong message of environment, of nature, of culture and of tradition to the rest of the world.
A festival like this helps to bring to the forefront social issues which otherwise are normally taboo or are not spoken of very much. And I think this is an excellent forum to be able to project those issues to the general public.
The Woodpecker Film Festival and Forum has completed 2 fabulous years of its existence. This is the 3rd year and we are taking the festival international and will be focusing on Afro-Asian and Latin American cinema in the upcoming edition.
Mexican cinema, as you all know, has a lot of importance. There's a lot of art attached to it, and so is African cinema, which has not been much seen in India. So for the first time, the Woodpecker International Film Festival will be giving an opportunity to people who come and attend a festival to actually see cinema both from Africa and Mexico.
It's an important step forward because issues don't change from country to country, they remain common. And I think it'll be very interesting to exchange views, opinions in the forum that the festival encourages, and also in the film festival itself to get different participants from different countries to be able to project the issues that are prevalent in their own countries.
Do come and become a part of this fantastic cinematic journey.
And I once again promise you that you're going to have a time of your life watching some fabulous cinema.
In the upcoming 3rd edition of Woodpecker Film Festival and Forum 2015. See you there.